Today's video is all about equation of circle. When we say equation of the circle, it comes with two different forms. First, we have the standard form. Okay, standard form, or in some books or in other sources, you can find it as center radius form. Okay, so we will tackle about this one later. Okay, the next form is the general form, and we will discuss this general form next week. Let's focus on the standard form of the equation. If the equation is in standard form, we can easily identify the center of the circle, which is h and k, and of course the radius. Okay, so I will write the equation. So the standard form should be like this: x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared, where h and k, okay, h and k are the coordinates of our center, and r is the radius. Okay, so let's try this one. Example number 1. Write the standard equation of the circle with the center -4 and 0 and radius is equal to 7. Okay, so using this form or this equation, all you have to do is to substitute this h and k to the equation, and of course the value of r to the equation. Okay, so we have x minus, so h is -4 plus y minus k is 0. Okay, so equals 7 squared. So our answer will be x plus 4 squared plus, okay, so y squared is equal to 7 squared is 49. So the standard form of the equation having a center as -4 and 0 and radius is 7 is x, quantity x plus 4 squared plus y squared is equal to 49. So that is the standard form of the equation. Let's have another example. Example number 2. It's the same as the example number 1. Write the equation of the circle having a center which is -3 and 8 and radius is equal to 6. Substitute to the equation. So we have x minus -3 plus y minus 8 squared is equal to r, which is 6 squared. Okay, so the answer will be x plus 3 squared plus y minus 8 squared is equal to 6 squared is 36. So the standard form of the equation having center as -3 and 8 and radius is equal to 6 is quantity x plus 3 squared plus quantity y minus 8 squared is equal to 36. Okay, it's easy, right? Example number 3. This is a different one. In this example, we have already the equation of the circle. What we are asked is to find the center and the radius. As I said before, standard form is also called as the center radius form because we can easily determine the center and the radius. All you have to do is to get our h and our k, and that is the coordinates of our center. But in getting h, you have to multiply the value to a -1. So -1 multiplied by 2, so we have -2. So h is negative 2. We do the same with k. So k is equal to negative 1 multiplied by negative 6. So we have positive 6. So coordinates of our center is h and k, which is negative 2 and 6. Okay? How about the radius? So radius is equal to 81. All you have to do is to get the square root of it. So square root of 81 is 9. So center is negative 2 and 6, while our radius is 9. Example number 4. In this equation, we are asked to find out the center and the value of the radius. So center is h and k. So h is equal to negative 1 multiplied by negative 4. So we have positive 4. So h is positive 4. How about k? So k is equal to negative 1 multiplied by negative 3. So k is positive 3. So coordinates of our center is 4 and 3. This is our h and k. How about the radius? So all you have to do is to get the square root of it. So 16 square root of 16 is equal to 4. So our radius is 4 and our center is 4 and 3.